Sondo AI is marketed as an AI music generator that can create songs, vocals, and full tracks from text prompts. But the real question is, does it actually work better than Suno, or is it just another clone trying to ride the AI music trend? Now, to be fair, AI music generation has improved massively, and newer platforms can genuinely create surprisingly listenable songs in seconds. What Sondo AI does well, can generate songs quickly, like most modern AI music tools. Sondo can turn prompts into basic tracks very fast. Beginner-friendly workflow. These platforms are designed so non-musicians can create songs without production experience, where it struggles against Suno. Suno is currently one of the strongest AI music platforms. This is the biggest issue. Suno already has a strong reputation for catchy vocals, structure, and polished output quality. Output quality may sound less refined. Smaller AI music generators often struggle with vocal realism, mixing quality, and musical consistency compared to Suno. Song structure can feel repetitive. Some AI platforms create tracks that sound formulaic after repeated use. So, does Sondo AI work better than Suno? Short answer, probably not for most people right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.